What's the meaning of atom bomb? Atom bomb. Atom bomb.
Atom bomb. Atom bomb. An atom bomb is a type of nuclear weapon that uses nuclear reactions to release a massive amount of energy in the form of an explosion. When an atom bomb detonates, it releases a tremendous amount of heat and pressure that can cause widespread destruction and death. The immediate effects of an atom bomb explosion include a blinding flash of light, a deafening roar, and a powerful shock wave that can level buildings and kill people instantly. The long-term effects include radiation sickness, cancer, birth defects, and damage to the environment.